In a world that is constantly evolving, the traits of a high-value man remain timeless yet ever relevant. Welcome back to Top Rack Facts. Today, we're exploring how you can become a high-value man in 2024. Let's embark on this journey of self-improvement and excellence. Hello everyone, I'm your guide on this path to becoming a high-value man. Today, we'll discuss 10 essential traits and actions that will elevate your value in 2024 and beyond. Number 1, cultivate self-discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of success. A high-value man understands that achieving goals requires consistent effort and dedication. Develop routines that push you towards your aspirations, even when motivation wanes. Start by setting clear, achievable goals and creating a daily schedule that prioritizes them. Whether it's waking up early to exercise, dedicating time to learn a new skill, or managing your finances, self-discipline helps you stay on track. Remember, discipline isn't about being harsh on yourself. It's about making choices that align with your long-term goals. In 2024, embrace the power of self-discipline to turn your ambitions into reality. Number 2, invest in continuous learning. Stay ahead of the curve by continually expanding your knowledge. In 2024, a high-value man embraces lifelong learning to adapt and thrive. The world is changing rapidly, with new technologies, theories, and ideas emerging constantly. By dedicating time to learn and grow, you not only stay relevant but also open doors to new opportunities. Read widely, attend workshops, take online courses, and engage in discussions that challenge your perspective. Learning is not limited to professional development. Explore hobbies and interests that enrich your personal life. A commitment to continuous learning demonstrates a proactive attitude and a desire to evolve, making you a more versatile and knowledgeable individual. Number 3, maintain physical fitness. Physical health is non-negotiable. A high-value man takes care of his body through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest. Physical fitness is not just about appearance. It's about maintaining energy, resilience, and mental clarity. Develop a fitness routine that includes cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Combine this with a nutritious diet that fuels your body and supports overall well-being. Don't neglect the importance of rest and recovery. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining optimal health. Regular physical activity also boosts your mood, reduces stress, and enhances cognitive function, making you more productive and focused in all areas of life. Number 4, develop emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing your emotions, as well as empathizing with others, sets you apart. Emotional intelligence is crucial for personal and professional relationships. It involves self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Practice mindfulness to become more aware of your emotional responses and how they impact your behavior. Learn to manage stress and stay calm under pressure. Cultivate empathy by actively listening and trying to understand others' perspectives. Strong emotional intelligence helps you navigate social complexities, resolve conflicts effectively, and build stronger, more meaningful relationships. In 2024, prioritize emotional intelligence to enhance your interpersonal interactions and lead with compassion and understanding. Number 5, build financial stability. Financial stability provides freedom and security. A high-value man is wise with his money, invests strategically, and plans for the future. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs and avoid financial stress. Educate yourself about investment options and create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Avoid unnecessary debt and make informed financial decisions. Financial stability allows you to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and seize opportunities without the burden of financial worry. In 2024, take control of your financial health and build a secure future. Number 6, master effective communication. Being able to communicate clearly and assertively is essential. Whether in business or personal life, effective communication skills will enhance your influence and respect. Practice active listening to truly understand others before responding. Be clear and concise in your speech, avoiding jargon and ambiguity. Develop your public speaking skills to convey ideas confidently in front of groups. Effective communication also involves nonverbal cues. Maintain eye contact, use appropriate gestures, and be mindful of your body language. In written communication, be precise and professional. By mastering communication, you build trust, resolve conflicts, and connect more deeply with those around you. Number 7, exude confidence and humility. True confidence is balanced with humility. A high-value man knows his worth but remains open to learning from others and acknowledges his limitations. confidence comes from self-assurance and belief in your abilities, while humility involves recognizing that you don't have all the answers and valuing others' contributions. Practice self-affirmation to boost your confidence and be willing to take risks and step out of your comfort zone. At the same time, listen actively to others, appreciate their perspectives, and give credit where it's due. This balance fosters respect and trust from those around you and makes you a more effective leader and collaborator. Number 8, cultivate a strong network. Surround yourself with positive, ambitious individuals. Building a strong network of supportive and like-minded people will propel you forward. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in community activities to meet new people. Focus on building genuine relationships rather than superficial connections. Offer your help and support to others, and don't hesitate to ask for advice or assistance when needed. A strong network provides opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and career advancement. It also offers emotional support and encouragement. In 2024, invest time and effort into nurturing your network to create a robust support system that enhances both your personal and professional life. Number 9, practice self-care and mindfulness. Take time for self-care and mindfulness. A high-value man understands the importance of mental health and relaxation in maintaining overall well-being. Incorporate activities into your routine that help you relax and recharge, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Engage in hobbies and interests that bring you joy and fulfillment. Practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce stress. This involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Self-care also includes setting boundaries to avoid burnout and ensuring you have a healthy work-life balance. In 2024, prioritize self-care and mindfulness to maintain your mental and emotional health. Number 10, live with purpose and integrity. Purpose and integrity define a high-value man. Live authentically, stay true to your values, and contribute positively to the world around you. Identify what truly matters to you and align your actions with your core values. Pursue a career and activities that give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Practice honesty and transparency in all your dealings, and hold yourself accountable for your actions. Integrity involves making ethical decisions, even when it's difficult, and standing up for what you believe in. By living with purpose and integrity, you not only enhance your own life but also inspire and positively impact those around you. Becoming a high-value man in 2024 requires a blend of timeless principles and modern adaptations. By embodying these 10 traits, you'll not only enhance your own life, but also positively impact those around you. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top Rack Facts. Join us next time for more empowering content. Until then, strive to be the best version of yourself.